Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to find IBAN on Raiffeisen Bank. First, open the Raiffeisen Bank mobile banking app on your phone and log in using your username, password, fingerprint, or Face ID. Once you are logged in, you will be taken to the main dashboard where all your accounts are displayed. Now tap on the account for which you want to find the IBAN. After opening the account, you will see several tabs such as History, Payments, Products, and Detail. Tap on the Detail tab. Here you can view important information about your account, including the account holder name, account number, available balance, IBAN, and SWIFT or BIC code. You can tap and hold the IBAN to copy it if you need to share it for international transfers or online payments. If you are using Raiffeisen Internet Banking, open your web browser and go to the official Raiffeisen Bank website. Click the Login button in the top right corner of the page and sign into your internet banking account. After logging in, select the Accounts tab from the top menu. Here you will see a list of all your bank accounts. Click on the account for which you want to view the IBAN. A new page will open with detailed account information. From the menu on the left side, click Account Details and then select Settings. In this section, you will find your complete account details, including the account number, IBAN, SWIFT or BIC code, and other banking information. If needed, you can copy the IBAN directly from the page and use it for receiving international payments, sending money from another bank, or sharing your banking details with employers and businesses. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.